Ready? 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Okay? How we do this? So, woman Zaida, 1, 2, 3. In this motion, I will bring the girl where she normally goes in the woman Zaida, crossing back into my line, but I go back in diagonal. 4. On this moment, I just keep guiding the girl with the right hand forward, and at the same time, I release my left up. Be careful, don't go here, go over her head. So the hand should go straight up first. And then with the left leg, I go walking there. And 5. Then I have to turn very fast to the girl, 6 on my right leg, okay? And the girl keeps walking with the left hand on the guide. Then I go again with the hand over. Then I go again with the hand over here, and then I stop 8. And here it's important to have a strong hand so the girl really feels like a stop. I'm not allowed to keep walking. And then we go to the second part. I push and I stop, and we make at the same time break. 5, 6, exit, 8. You see my hand is collecting the girl, and at the same time the left goes on the shoulder. Now I go 1 and 2, and I stop the girl on the shoulders very strong, and I wait. 3 and 4, and now I push to the left in that direction and pull with the right, and I go cha-cha, guys, shuffle. 5 and 6, block the girl, stop 7, and just wait 8 if you want, okay? And you can go again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, I wait 4, 5 and 6, 7, I wait 8. Easy. Hands in the air.